that intro is great. Welcome to the channel. Today we're looking at Keyreative's Cat Alpha, a cat profile keycap set. I got Cat Alpha from KBDFans for $76. This is actually the version 1.1, which has 146 keys, more than the 126, which was the first all-in-one kit. The packaging was pretty beat up on arrival. I actually like the box because it's sort of a standardized template where they just check which item is included. And the text on the right actually says Keyreative Starry Night, which is a keycap set that Keyreative made, but it was not what was in my box. I actually had a really hard time getting the plastic tray out of the box. I mean, like an embarrassingly hard time. One of the cool things about this set is that it's not a group buy, so it's just a standard keycap set available most of the time from a few vendors such as Kono, KBDFans, and zFrontier. Cat, which was originally called Mini SA, but they changed the name to Keyreative All Touch to distance themselves from SA, is a relatively new profile. Designed by Keyreative in 2016, first hitting production in 2018, Keyreative, which is itself a fairly new company, cooked up the cat profile after analyzing Cherry, SA, and DSA profiles. And thus, the legend was born. This is thick, 1.65mm PBT with dye sub-legends. They intentionally made the surface much smoother than standard PBT, and they claim they engineered the shape to specifically emphasize the sound. There's some pretty interesting articles on zFrontier if you want to read more. I'll leave the link down below. These keycaps feel amazing. They're just smooth and buttery. I've already been a fan of the SA profile, and while these are lower than SA, they just feel so good. It's an interesting switch from the intentionally rough and textured feel of most PBT, and it feels less plasticky than a lot of ABS. I mean, I just can't keep my fingers off of them. Here's a quick comparison between SA and Cat. You can see how the SA is nearly twice as tall. So in summary, Cat Alpha is a great keycap set with a unique profile and a super smooth touch. I really can't think of anything bad to say about him. If you like the look, what are you waiting for? Go get him. Thanks for watching, and good luck out there.